Imagine multiplying 2 by itself 10 times. Tiring, right? What if I told you mathematicians invented a shortcut so powerful it can write huge numbers in just 2 symbols? A power has 2 parts. The base is the number we multiply, and the exponent or index tells us how many times. So 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. Three golden rules rule the world of indices. When multiplying same bases, add the powers. When dividing, subtract. When you have a power of a power, multiply the powers. Two more secrets. Any non-zero number to the power 0 equals 1, and a negative power simply means flip it into a fraction. So 2 to the power negative 3 is 1 over 8. Worked example 1. Simplify 3 to the 4 times 3 to the 2. Same base 3, so we add the exponents. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So our answer becomes 3 to the power 6. Multiplied out, that equals 729. Beautiful. One shortcut saved us a long calculation. Worked example 2. Simplify 2 cubed all squared divided by 2 to the 4. First tackle the bracket. Power of a power, so multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we have 2 to the 6 divided by 2 to the 4, same base, so subtract the powers. 6 minus 4 is 2, so 2 squared equals 4. Done. Common mistake. Many students add powers when they see a plus sign. Wrong. The rules only work for multiplying or dividing. For addition, calculate each separately, then add. Remember MAMS. Multiplying means adding, minus means subtracting. Like jollof rice, same pot, you combine. Different pot, no shortcuts. Powers make giants tiny. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep mastering mathematics. See you in the next video.